ewo eye fidie mu a na de me pesa me no wo eche anopa yi ubie Philippians chapter 4 verse number 6 a urem ho a eho ena de me pesa me no wo eche no ewo ho nom ti me twen no wabie na afi me no mienu nyina ya kenkan na yehu de ewo ho me pesa udi machi because ade chie bia se me no wo eche bribi se ya me catch row se de me no wo che no eye purposeful life driven message Basha wati purposeful life driven message ena eya me no wo eche eti ade a ebe drive wo life ade a asofo ni adifo they won't tell you that but me I'll give it to you for free but me no beche what you say fesika emma but me no beche na fi wanya ntiase ewo eye de me pese me no edi ho enkomo anopayi ehun Nebacho, what be Philippians 4 verse number 6? Philippians 4 verse number 6. What be? Na fi me no wo ashase na yedi enkomo kakra na fi ya hwede wo ho. What be? Philippians 4 verse 6 will say advises against anxiety, encouraging believers to replace worry with prayer and petition, accompanied by thanksgiving, to present request to God. Advises against anxiety, encouraging believers to replace worry with prayer. Worry with prayer. The how na wunemuno apenisie na wudi ajajo na wucha no anopai fampaibo fashanai me pese wo jai se wo betna se na fi wo be wenge me pese wo jai se wo betna se na fi nso wo attribute to na wo portion blame se ewrade eye den ena media wo mfi mi ewrade eye den wo bat se me masom wa nenso enkusiaga de me pe no wonya ma me hwe asimasi metene cheno metesei cheno me bo for de akese me ye wadwuma akese wa sorry fie me beta no pa no anopa yi wo giant no now dem pai body show. When you see say things are not going right with you, when you see say you are being cheated, when you see say recognition that was wonya, when you see say the respect that you deserve don't complain, don't wing fire pipe, submit it before God, fire pipe, dear o person worker, fire pipe. Fire mpaibo anopa izana mpese mekadechiro fire mpaibo jai se kra woni namfofo kra edi hu nkomo uchirechiri mu jai fire mpaibo kachire wo nyankopon na obo wo no because we see replace worry with prayer and petition accompanied by thanksgiving to present request to God. Menya sure says o pa dey free opinion ho and our papa ho a ho na o complain there be and what say wo ma wo papa reasons I won't hear e was what ye dey wo bisa no e dey free ni nchen enye complain because wo complain e be doso e be ye dede wo na sum wo mfiu the obe kan say me buy the op complain op did opinion do. But no man petition before him. Now ka won semno na twice mu a obetio. And it is sad that yes Yankopon ko na nim na ma na de yam paibo. Erade me yo ba. Me mpa baye. They also would be mame. They also would me beye. Nia wa hye me bo. Then you begin to quote some of the verses in the Bible to solidify your prayer. Nyame betio. Nyame na sunsiye. Nyame na sunsiye. Obetio. Obetio wanopai. obeti o da ne da nyina obeti o sufre. Do not be anxious about anything. Do not.
Sompa FM.
Because in every situation that you find yourself, pray and petition your God. With thanksgiving, then you present your request. I don't see now no many be din commona or name it share biribi no can be really chere me say Kwame. It shouldn't be all of the time say ya bonya mesobo. Etoda enkwa no nko akra ya nya no. Ya mane nya seda. Ya na nyame ase wo ho. Ya ma ya ni nso enkwa no. Efi say wonnim de enti a adechia bi eto. Efi say wonnim de enti a okan wo eduka atiasefo ho. Ani da so ho. Bibi pa bi wo ho. Eno nti na dako wo be so obi betumi abresa dako pe. Na nneoma sesa wo na sitram. Nneoma sesa wo da brabom. Ensesaye kese na asi. Afidi ebe kan say hey. Nyame ahye ni ho ani mo nyam. Hey, akwai die nyame. Hey. Na fi wonti ase kwan fa so ba ya nsesaye no esi wo nipa su na nanka wumu no. Nipa na wonfa no nya hwei. Nipa na nanka won kan no emfa nka nipa ho. Nsesaye ba. Tianopa yi mebe so ti ase ese bibia wo ne mre nya abotre wai. Bibia wo ne mre. And I have another message for you this morning. Say, Maza, bibia wo ne mre empaba. I don't think you have a decision to make today. The success of tomorrow, the success and the praises of tomorrow depends on the decisions of today. Make decision. So decision not be right or china, be wrong or china. Still, you have to make decision today. Make decision today. Because me, Kwame Agyarko, each and every day I make decisions. Each and every day I reflect on some things and endure. So after endurance, then you make a decision. You decide to continue or quit. You get my point? Each and every day, it's a decision-making day for you. Make a decision. To quit what you are doing or to continue. Adenti emma wa be mu wate koso afaye mpaibo koso ana faye mpaibo na minim se true mpaibo no
Sompa FM
eno na eye the only avenue for you to have a communication with your God. True mpaibo no eno ne the only avenue to talk to your God. True mpaibo no eno ne the only avenue to channel whatsoever no edichiro onyankopo eno ntimane nyampaibo wate empaba one mo na wo mo joining whatever no, they never stop praying. Ti won so anopai enya empaibo wai empaibo hunya ba ti mane nyampaibo enne ochena kopim se obefiri asase so na fe obehu nsanso ani mwaye a ewom nyame yekese nyame tiase bibia be ye fine adopa ye hoda mpese me no efa ti shanenso na fe fa she okotoku mo so foma me once again mame mo wachi na me mo akwa ba Sompa TV Sompa FM adopa yi enkomo ewo ho yebedi nkomo ahodo pi e de free over this weekend some ahodo e course so na enne me no be rem na fi yewura constitution demo yewura emre demo ne yahwe the office of the special prosecutor ne Attorney General Justice Swimsai and Rami reading a post to be or me say they are taking over a special prosecutor the cases are hold Pia Ekutano, which means say office of the special prosecutor no new authorization sir or they be did you maybe or they be 2 and among or they be prosecutor among for me koba me no be din komo, and I have one question. Maybe sa question me pese me koba no ma ba be bisa. Maybe say we are follow with series of enema hodo abema wonti ase. Tianopai, we're going to educate ourselves. We also ade chia me no ye de ahia mu a me pese esua de. Throughout this year, then we ask inquisitorial, provocative, and curious questions. Yeah, ebe chimping you for junior abaso say the decisions they are making no. Ya tinchen, but ye hu, that's ye hu so ye bisa almost say, ye dear nia ye itime for ye pay. And no more di 2 and more na say in the city. Never be the home come. And round so Abrante via chese de bu du owaku kuduro chen bibia police amoka won kawe ya park de asi o na Abrante ya kwa kutine mu chese o chese obokro no ne kro no wa ba ma na tra se de o ko wia police amoka o di dwane o di adwane ya kwa kopie mu o mem ama police fo di achi ekochi no amanfo bi sa se e de akukuduro nko na Abrante yi enya ya ode ebo sa akro no na me akra me hu sa story na me ready through na emesre no on ti ase police amoka na just esiwa to me say yes we ne de kwa akon we ne de kwa patanto kwa nti etwam kura na wiyam sisi na bisa ho questions no ono enya akukuduro ekowi asa aka no yaba ye bedi ho komo ye be hwese de ye ho nsem esitie afi nso brekum Chelsea for womo player ba ko a itu kan no and Roberts ikutu anamo bi atu kan no wo gosu side of honum ya ofemu ehwe ne nkwa no post for me anya ntie se enra wo mu chi wo mu gang leaders ne bi na tie abayo nwanwa se atimatim ha ya na post for wo mu report wo mu de ba bon tinji mu se atimatim ha ya na wo bechi sa wo mu gang leader na akwana wono womo anya bi enkofu bi ankorobo se players womo kwakọ bobo na omo fa mu ekim baako atimatim ha na ombechi no ti me banso a me do be report ni mo na fi wo hu se de ensem no esi etie wo honom ti komono doso wa no pay ya ye de ni nyina so ebebro wo kasa fidie so we have a lot to talk about fuel hons and sem so image ya ebobo ede eba and I feel to say the medical in the Supreme Court and so hons and sem no and so eba free primary health care no so ye de ube rem na fi ya ma nchimu kakra no atiase se de esitie de be ankasa yaka free primary health care na no Kwame di ho nkomo aginchiremu ba ko mienu edemaw anopa ye besa rem na fin so ye de nyina de abrew ti nkomo no edoso ti enyi okasa fidie no emfiri ha medin de Kwame Agyarko